Hi everyone, we're on to week 6. It's getting close to the end. So this week, we are going to be spending a little more time analyzing secondary sources and looking more closely at our primary resources as well. We're also going to work on developing an introduction, and that will be part of your only assignment that is due this week. So as I said, there's only one assignment this week, and that is your 6-1 Project 2 Historical Context and Introduction submission. And it is due on Friday, April 9th. As always, there'll be an announcement for this assignment during the week. Now, if you need any support, you can always come visit me during my office hours. Office hours are on Monday from 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. Eastern Time. I'm also available through email, and you can post your questions in the general questions discussion board as well. Don't forget about the live lecture. Instructors John Hebel and Ryan Tripp will be going over all the topics for the week and giving you extra information on all of your assignments. And the live lecture takes place on Tuesdays at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. Now, if you are unable to attend the live lecture, you can always watch a recording of that live lecture after. So you'll find more information and links for this in the announcements. So have a terrific week, everyone. If you need me, I'm here for you. Thanks so much for watching.